Alright, just imagine this. You look up at the night sky and wait, the moon is getting bigger and bigger. Until, oh no, it's not just close, it's on a collision course with Earth. What would actually happen if the moon crashed into our planet? Buckle up, because this is going to get wild. First, let's get one thing straight. The moon is huge. It's about a quarter the size of Earth and weighs over 80 billion trillion tons. So if it suddenly started moving towards us, we're not talking about a small rock falling from space. We're talking about a planet-scale disaster. Now, as the moon gets closer, its gravity would start wreaking havoc. Tides would become monstrous. Imagine 100-meter-high waves crashing onto the coasts. Cities near the ocean, gone. The constant tidal forces would trigger earthquakes and volcanic eruptions all over the world. The ground would literally shake beneath our feet. But here's where it gets even crazier. As the moon spirals in, it would probably break apart because of Earth's gravity, creating a ring of blazing hot debris, kind of like Saturn's rings. But don't get your hopes up about a pretty new sky. These chunks of moon wouldn't stay up there for long. They'd rain down, bombarding the surface with impacts bigger than anything the dinosaurs ever saw. The energy released? We're talking about the equivalent of millions of nuclear bombs detonating at once. Forests would ignite, oceans would boil, and the very air could become unbreathable. Mega tsunamis hundreds of meters high would surge across continents. The shockwaves would flatten entire cities. And ultimately, when the biggest pieces finally hit, the impact would be so powerful it could strip away Earth's atmosphere, melt the crust, and turn the planet's surface into an ocean of lava. Life as we know it, gone in a matter of hours. Now here's a twist. If any humans somehow survived, they'd be living in a world without tides, without nights lit by moonlight, and probably without much hope. But before you panic, here's the good news. This scenario is almost impossible. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth, not towards it. So, your midnight walks are safe. For now. But doesn't it just blow your mind how much power is hanging over us in the night sky? It's a reminder of how fragile and how epic our planet really is. If you enjoyed this cosmic catastrophe, drop a like and let me know what other what-if questions you want to see next. Until then, keep looking up and appreciate that peaceful, distant moon.